Good morning, it's R2's first outing. We're going out to Essex, so it's up early, and you can't do a outing with R2 without a cup of coffee in an R2 cup. So travel with me this morning as we take R2 out to an event with the UK Garrison, where we're raising money for children with autism. So it's like a fun race, half a marathon-y thing, raising money for autism today. So come on, join us. We're gonna have a good time.
Hey! Sige, Baba.
Great little troop today with R2 and the guys. R2 had no failures, which was an absolute joy. So really good, and really good trooping for and raising money for St Luke's Hospice, working with children with autism. So that was really good as well. Hope they raised a lot of money. Lots of people who ran, lots of winners. That was good fun. So on the way home and putting R2 back to bed. So until next time.